Hello, I'm having some interesting issues with CKEditor as it works inside of Vaadin. And this is something that you can actually see if you're just running the demo Vaadin CKEditor aspect. And that is that the editor has a feature called Maximize. And what it does is it basically takes over the entire screen for the editor and allows you to do things. And when you come back, it re-renders the editor. And this works really well when the editors are just sitting in a main area. What we're seeing, though, is issues when we use pop-up editors. Now, if it's a modal window, we see no issue. So if I open it and then I maximize and minimize, the editor, everything is all restored just as you would expect. But if it's a non-modal window, I run into an issue where if I maximize it and I minimize it, you'll see the window is coming back, but it's not as if it's still not active. I can't really do anything with it. You can't close it. You can't move it. Can't do anything. And if I refresh the browser, there's the window, so it's all back and working again. And what's also interesting about the non-modal sub-window is that if I open it and I move it just ever so slightly, then maximize works, minimize works. And I can do this repeatedly. So if I take multiple windows, so forth, they all seem to work just as you would expect. But again, only if I open a non-modal sub-window, I don't move it at all, then I maximize, minimize, I get this strange error. So anybody who has any ideas, I would appreciate some thoughts on how we can do it. The one area where I can say I do know that's occurring is that the editor by default has a z-index of 10,000. When I open it in pop-up windows, we actually set it to 11,000 to make it on top of these other windows. But there's something happening, and I'm not sure why modal windows don't suffer it. And I don't understand why a sub-window that's non-modal works only if I drag it a little bit. But if I don't drag it, then it has the problem. So I was hoping if anybody had any ideas what I might be able to look for, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.